the second topic of module 2, which is the subpackage of NumPy, and the subpackage of NumPy which we are going to discuss in today's class is random subpackage and polynomial subpackage. Now the question will come, what do you mean by subpackage of NumPy random? So this subpackage, that means random subpackage of NumPy, will help us to find any random value between given intervals. Let us consider you have some interval 3, 2 within the small bracket. You know what do you mean by small bracket? That 3 is not included and 2 is not included. Now, in some program, in some application where we need to find the random value between the given intervals, let us consider I want to know the random value between 3, 2. Then in that case, what we can do, we can use the random command, random sub package of NumPy to find the random value between given intervals. So for that case again, what I will do, it is a very simple command, import NumPy, from NumPy import random, and then you just write np.random.ran within the bracket 3, 2. Then it will give you any random value between 3 and 2, and whenever you will execute, you will get the random value. I will think that what is the significance of finding the random value between 3 and 2. Let us consider, I will explain you how this is going to help in a practical life. Then let us consider today in class the strength. I don't know how many students will be present in the class. So definitely minimum I will take 1 student and maximum I will take 60 of if the strength is 60. So definitely what I will tell, I will put the small bracket 0 and 61 because 0 is not included. I will never assume that there will be no any students. If I assume that, in that case, what will happen? I will write a small bracket 0, 61 because more than 60 students will not come. Now I wanted to know that any random value between 0 and 60, it should appear and should give some result for my analysis, statistics analysis of the class. Then I can use this command and I can get any random value between 0 to 61. So these all concepts will help you to do the statistics analysis, and within one line of code you will get the random value between the given intervals. So my dear friend, this is very important concept which we generally use in the random environment where we need to find any random value between the given intervals. And this can be done with the sub package of NumPy, which is nothing but random. Now, the next sub package of the NumPy, which I'm going to explain you, is about polynomials. Now, the question you will ask directly that, sir, what is meaning of polynomials? My dear friend, polynomials means it is just an equation in terms of one variable. Here we are telling about in terms of one variable and coefficients. Let us consider, if you will say that what is the quadratic equation, then you will tell a into x square plus b into x plus c. That is nothing but one polynomial. What is the degree of that? Degree is 2. What? How many variables are there? One variable, that is x. And what are the coefficients? A, B, C. So when I say that, okay, I will give you the coefficients A, B, C. Can you give me the polynomial? Then in that case, yes, with the help of the polynomial sub package of NumPy, we can create any polynomials with the help of the coefficients. So whenever you are going to give me the coefficients with the help of polynomial sub package of NumPy, I can write the equation and I can get the polynomials. So this is the sub package polynomial benefits which we can use it in the program. And again, the program is one line code. So from import the NumPy, and from NumPy import the polynomial, and just write it down any equation name if you want the polynomial, and give the coefficients in the big bracket. So if suppose that I wanted to give the coefficient 3 to 1, so I will write the command from NumPy, import NumPy as np, and then from NumPy dot polynomial import polynomial, and give any polynomial name. Let us consider p equals to, then polynomial, give big bracket coefficients. Let us consider I gave the coefficients 3 to 3, 2, 1. Now the question will come, what is the coefficients of 3? What is the coefficient 2, and what is the coefficient 1? My dear friend, first entry of your coefficient is the constant term coefficients. Then second entry is the x coefficient, and last entry, that is 1, is the coefficient of x square. So if you are into the coefficient 3, 2, 1, then 3 will be constant term. So your equation or polynomial will be 3 plus. Then second term is the coefficient of x. That is nothing but 2. So 2 into x plus, for the last term is the coefficient of x square. So you can write 1 into x square. So in this way, we can create any polynomial with when we have the coefficients, and that can be done with the help of sub-package polynomial. So polynomial is nothing but very important concept again, which can create any polynomial, or you can say it can create any equation when you have given the coefficients in a simple and smart way within one line of the code. That is the beauty of Python, that you can do the big task and complex tasks within the small code of 1 or 2 lines with the help of sub-packages library function. Thank you very much.